Do it your damn self brick wallpaper project. Guys, do not be terrified. Do not be thinking, oh my God, this is too hard. This is too much. I can't do it. It is so easy to do. So we started at 8:03 p.m. And this is the before. It is really plain Jane. So we're going to jazz up this little area right here. And it makes such a huge difference. Trust me. So I came over to help out my sister with her wallpaper. We got this wallpaper from Hobby Lobby. It was $34.99 and we got 2 rolls, okay? And we still had a little bit extra. Oh, hey, that's my daughter. So I want to tell you that we didn't have any tools like the air bubble kind of scraper. So what I did was I took a ruler. I took a ruler and just kind of laid it to be a little bit more flat. Now I'm just showing you guys this because if you don't have a scraper to just like lay the wallpaper flat on the wall, just take anything hard, maybe a hardcover book, and you can rub it against the wallpaper to just make sure it's just laid on flat. That's it. And yeah, so just a ruler and a wallpaper and a scissor. That's all you need, guys. Now this is perfect for renters. You know, sometimes like you can't paint, and if you do paint, you have to paint it back when moving out. This is easy to do. You can literally take this off with just one peel, and your wallpaper will, your wall will still be there. So just a suggestion. I love wallpaper. I am a wallpaper fanatic. Throughout my house, there's wallpaper. So just keep watching. So what I'm doing, being that the TV is already up, I'm just kind of cutting in between where the TV starts and where the TV ends on the end. So I'm just cutting that wallpaper because you won't be able to see behind the TV anyway. So that's it. It's just a repetitive job. That's all. And she's going to add in a fireplace. So this wall is going to be super jazzy. Trust me. It's going to look super dope. Maybe I'll just update the thumbnail so you guys can see it when the fireplace is built in. But yeah, that is the wall. At 9:07, the wall was finished. So within an hour. Period. So it looks so fabulous. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching.